Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll see how to replace battery in Pure Blue H2O 3-stage RO system. Or in the other words, how to fix the red light shown on the faucet. Let's begin. First thing first, you see this access door. Let's pull out the old battery. So the battery we might use is CR2032. It's a 3-volt lithium cell battery. I'm gonna share the link of this battery in the description box. I ordered it from Walmart. You can buy it from Amazon or Walmart or wherever you want. Let's reinstall the battery. Make sure you don't push it hard. Let's turn on the faucet handle to see. Not sure if you noticed, last time it was red, now it's blue, and this blue light stays turned on 2-3 seconds and then it turns off. It was quite straightforward and simple. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.